This might be the easiest, most underrated cake you'll ever make, and that's because there's one secret ingredient. Today I'm making mini blueberry and almond loaf cakes that are incredibly soft, they stay moist for days, and it comes together really simply. This is the kind of recipe you can make with minimal effort but still get a really beautiful result. Start by preheating your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're starting with our wet ingredients. Into a bowl, add your eggs, oil, honey, vanilla, sour cream, and sugar. The secret ingredient in this recipe is the olive oil. This is what gives the cake that soft, moist crumb instead of a dry, buttery texture. It also means the cake keeps really well over a few days. Whisk them together until they're slightly thickened. This step helps give the cake a really nice light texture. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients, your flour, ground almonds, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Then add it to your wet ingredients. Gently whisk everything together until just combined. You don't want to overmix here or the cake can become dense. Now for the blueberries. If you're using fresh blueberries, you can toss them in a little flour first to stop them sinking, but I'm going with frozen blueberries. Gently fold them through the batter. Divide and pour the mixture into a lined loaf tin or 2 mini loaf tins like I have here, and then smooth out the top. We're going to bake in the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes or until the tops are nice and golden and a skewer inserted comes out clean. Baking time will vary depending on the size and amount of the mixture in each tin. Once it's baked, let it cool in the tin for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is the kind of cake that doesn't need much, maybe just a light dusting of icing sugar, or served as is with a cup of tea. This loaf is soft, light, and really easy to make, perfect if you want something reliable that still feels a little bit special. Honestly, is the type of cake that speaks for itself though, so wholesome and easy to eat, another family favorite. If you try it, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please make sure you follow along and subscribe. Give me a like, hit the bell for new delicious recipes each week. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!